What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Still the opulence trading. So, guys, we're about to drop the weekly commentary for the next week, which is the last week and also the first, yeah, kind of last week and the first week of last week of November, or the last days of November and the first few days of December, whatever you might call it, but just the next week. So, guys, this is Euro USD. Look at what I found in Euro USD. What I found um, from the weekly perspective. So basically, price has been in downtrend for a very long period of time. I don't like doing this because I can't decide my trade from 2014 levels. So I don't really give a flying fuck about that. But price came about around this demand zone that swept these highs, demand zone or other block, whatever you might call it, demand zone, other block, whatever. Price came there and tapped there and started to rally up to the upside. And checking, and from this demand zone, price started to reverse to the upside. So we want to see some higher prices. And if we are to draw our Fibonacci from the down to the from the up to the down, you can see that price has left the premium area and came to the discount area, left the premium, left the equilibrium standpoint and came to the discounted areas and started showing some kind of bullishness. So the same thing in the daily time frame. Daily time frame has shown enough momentum to go up to this level, but we might see some, what they call it, some lower prices once price as price hits this level of supply or other block, anyone you might call it. As price hits here, price starts showing some bearish momentum. But let's see how tomorrow is going to be, because tomorrow that's going to determine how we are going to classify the move on this particular pair Euro USD. So the 4 hours is where the main daily is done. Let me remove this. So actually, how I mark my supply and demand or other block or whatever is because I check the ones that are not mitigated yet. Like this is already mitigated. Price broke the structure, keep going down. This area is still the way it is, unmitigated. So what I mean by unmitigated is that price might still come back to this area and still rally down to the downside, but we always want to trade the trend, so we shouldn't be in a hurry to sell when price comes here. If price shows some sign of bullishness going up and up and up and up, then we might as well look to trade with the trend. Something like this. So, but that's by the way. So we're going to, as far as there are some imbalances that price has to fill around this area, some imbalances, and price also mitigated this area. Price mitigated this. Price broke this structure. This got swept. This high was taken, and we still have some few imbalance to fill. Maybe even if not now, even if not tomorrow, next tomorrow, but price must target those areas to fill them before coming to any of this supply zone and going down or breaking it. But how I'm seeing this price on Monday, my plan on Monday is that look at my plan on Monday. To me, price has already changed character from here. Look at where price broke structure, US, and this is the high that broke this structure like this. This high broke, yeah, this high broke this structure. I mean, so this high made this low. Understand? So the low that this high made, this high has already broken it, making this a valid high. This is not a valid high. This is a valid high. And when price comes back and swept this high, it means that the character has already changed to buys, to bullish. I don't care what anybody says. Tell me that the whole monthly time frame, the whole weekly time frame, the whole yearly time frame is still showing bearish. To me, the trend has changed to bullish. So what I want to see is I would kindly mark up my, what they call it. I might decide to mark up a Fibonacci level from here to down here to identify the premium and the discount, and I would like price to come to this area, this area of supply, and not that price will just tap on it and leave. I would like price to go in deeper into this level before I will start looking for some something like this in the 15 minutes time frame. Then I'll go short from here, target these levels that push price to break this structure. I know you get what I'm meaning. So this is my plan coming. This is my plan coming tomorrow and next week. So guys, that is it. So this is my plan for coming next week. I don't think I have any much thing to monitor on this Euro USD. So I'm trying to keep it simple. Price comes into this area, I'm looking for short. If it didn't come to this area, I don't give a flying fuck. I won't do anything if price didn't come into this area. Rather wait for it to come down below here for me to start taking longs in line with the trend. So that's all for Euro USD. So I'm going to go to the next pair. That's Chief. I don't normally trade Chief. I just keep it there for keeping sake. So I had this alert, and I'm going to delete this alert. No, I'm going to delete everything. So I think I have to start from weekly. The weekly doesn't have any much thing to show. Then the daily, you know, don't have enough. So okay, they just broke a structure around this area. Have a supply, have a daily supply. This is a daily supply. So I'm going to annotate it daily supply, and let's go to the 4H. This is why I don't like marking out daily supply, because daily supply and 4 hour supply aligns. So the GBPUSD hasn't shown me some kind of bullishness. Yeah, it broke structure, like this, but I won't classify this as a break of structure. I want the full candle to break this structure before I will start looking for. I'll start classifying it as a change of character, but it isn't. So, and this is where I'm looking for the supplies. Where I'm looking to short this trade down to any level I might see in the lower time frame. So, guys, there are many levels that I couldn't mark. I couldn't mark here. This level is also a valid level to watch out. But I just believe that those in my Telegram group will also be seeing the updates on daily basis. So guys, let's just try to be disciplined this week, and let's just make it to the end of the month, and let's see how this month is going to be. So guys, until then, good luck and good trading.